TradeView TraderPro. How to use the standard order entry. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss placing orders using the standard order entry. To place an order, go to Menu Bar Trading, then Order Tickets, then Standard. First, choose a side by selecting the Buy or Sell radio box. In the section called Market Selection, choose your order quantity by either typing in a number or selecting from the drop-down list. Next, enter the contract symbol and select from the list. If you need to see a current quote, click Add to Quotes. In the section called Order Specs, select the type of order using the drop-down list. Then, depending on the order type, additional fields like Limit Price, Stop Price, or Delta may appear. You can type in your order price, or use the up and down keys on your keyboard to modify the near market price that is populated. Finally, choose the time in force, or flag. Day orders will remain working through the market close. GTC, or Good Till Cancelled, will work beyond one trading session unless cancelled or filled. The flags IOC, or Immediate or Cancel, and FOK, or Fill or Kill, are only available for limit orders. Once all order details have been entered, click Transmit to place the order. Confirm the order details and press OK. Otherwise, click Cancel to make changes to your order. If you want to save the order details to be sent later, click Save under the Template section. Then type in a name and press OK. When you are ready to send the order, select the template name from the list and click on Transmit. If the Transmit button is grayed out, all required fields may not have been entered, or you have inputted invalid order details. For instance, the order quantity is 0. If you want to discard order details and start over, click New Order. This will reset fields back to the default. To modify an existing order, click on the order in the Working Orders window. Then, make changes to the order and click on Modify. Confirm the order details and press OK. To cancel an existing order, click on the order in the Working Orders window. Then, click on Cancel. To confirm, press Yes. To set defaults for this window, go to the Menu Bar Trading, then Order Defaults. To set the default to sell 5 NASDAQ futures at market, select Sell. Set quantity to 5, type in the symbol, set order type to market, and press OK. Then, when you click New Order, the default will be populated. If you do not want to order ticket to clear out fields after clicking Transmit, uncheck the option Clear after Submit. Then, when clicking Transmit, all order details will remain.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.